What's up guys, Josh back with another video working on the Skyline. Today we're going to be working on the rear suspension, replacing the upper control arms with some AMS adjustable ones, as well as the DMAX traction rods. That way we can get the suspension geometry all tuned in and tweaked in. That way we're not prematurely running through tires like we had before. So let's get this done. All right, let's take a look at the DMAX rear adjustable traction arms. Ordered these because Sam it off of YouTube. He drives the R33.4 Skyline, lives in Japan, and he does a lot of drifting and stuff. And he installed these on his car and they look pretty durable, so I went the same thing. But yeah, I like the fact that these have the nice rubber boot, so it can keep the bearing and everything clean of dirt and moisture, so hopefully longevity goes. They're fully adjustable and they're supposed to give you better overall handling dynamics. And then I went with the EMS, which I showed you guys these on some of the other videos, but these guys are out of Canada. Fully adjustable as well. These are the upper control arms and they look pretty beefy with the way that they're welded, so they look pretty good and reinforced. And then these also have the rubber boot on the end as well, so keep the bearing and everything clean and clear. So let's get these guys thrown in. Alright, we're going to get those bolts torqued down to spec, and the manual recommends 57 to 72 foot-pounds. We're going to torque those down before we put on the upper adjustable control arm, otherwise it'll be in the way. Alright, and I've got mine set at 65 foot-pounds. Alright, and this is 65 foot-pounds as well. This is 65 foot-pounds as well. So it's all secure. Let's take a look at these. Everything looks pretty nice. Everything fit right in. The DMAX upper one had to be tapped in, but everything else just slid right in. No resistance at all. Just used all the factory mounting bolts that were on the original stuff from the factory. And then I've got all these spaced out to the original lengths of the factory ones. So I had something to kind of go off of until I can take it in and get the alignment done. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will be back with more content as soon as I get the alignment done.